Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So on my back, you can see this is the base frame for the vertical roller mills. So the motors will connect to the gearbox, and then the gearbox will be connected to the grinding table. And then they will be installed like right next to this base frame. And then on the base frame, that is where the grinding table installs. So right now you can see we are doing the leveling and also pre-assemble. So the reason we do the pre-assemble is we want to minimize the assembly errors when it arrives on site. Therefore, all the vertical roller mills we produce, we will do the pre-assembles of the base frame in our factory to minimize the assembly errors. And we will also mark it with numbers so that when it comes to the site, the installation can be taken on very fast. So regarding the structure, it is composed of the base frame, and then we have 4 beams that is installed on the base frame. And then there's also other components that will be installed on this base frame, and then I will introduce about those in our next video. Thank you guys.